into the stories behind the music, the process, and the journey that brought this album to life. Okay, so let's begin with a few questions. Hello, guys! Basta naman? Okay. So, simulan natin syempre din sa title. Diba? What does Wakas at Simula mean to SB19 personally?
Napaka... well, Wakas at Simula, sa hindi ko nakakalam, 8 years na po sa SB19. This is our 8th year. Sobrang tagal na po na magkakasama. And, syempre, kapag ganito ka katagal, parang iniisip mo na rin or kinakontemplate mo na rin kung ano ba yung next chapter or matatapos na ba yung grupo or ano man yung nangyayari sa akin. Pero, for us, this is a milestone na nandito na kami ngayon. And we want to celebrate at the same time, look back at everything that we have done kasama yung mga tao na sumusuporta sa akin. Kayo na po na malaking parte ng journey po ng SB19. So, kasi simula.
Speaking of celebrating, congratulations sa Lollapalooza! Grabe, nagwala ang lahat nung in-announce na Lollapalooza kayo. Grabe, oo, you broke the internet. Yes. Okay, so tungkol dyan yung next question ko. With your upcoming performance in Lollapalooza, how does this album prepare you for the global stage?
Well, I think all of our, since it's, Wakas at Simula, it's like a journey from the beginning of SB19. So, technically, we've been preparing for this moment our entire lives. So, yun na siya eh. Kasi we've experienced so many stages, we've experienced so many, let's say, concerts, festivals, and we've represented a lot of times for different types of sabihin natin scenarios. And through that, and through this album, siguro mas masasabi namin ngayon na we're not afraid of anything. We're more confident when it comes to presenting the Filipino talent and of course people.
And just to touch on that, speaking of your dreams na nagsisimula pa lang kayo, isa sa mga curious ako sa SB19 when I was just starting to get to know them, is yung dreams nila nung simula, hindi siya kasi parang palaki ng palaki. Simula pa lang, sobrang taas ng, nung pangarap nyo. Nagsimula pa lang kayo, sinasabi nyo na sa interviews na gusto nyo rin magkaroon ng sariling kumpanya, di ba? Meron na kayong mga sinasabi, may binabanggit na kayo, gusto nyo talaga maiangat yung ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Nung ano pa lang wala pa sila masyado napapatunayan nun. So kami, habang nag-interview pa ako, oh, okay. taas na pangarap
Para yun, hindi mo na-hit, ay hindi kailangan mas mataas yung pangarap mo, para mas mataas yung try mo achieve yun, diba?
Aim high, no? Aim high.
Pero ba yan, dati nga bakit nilulubiwan kami pagkagaling, wow, taas ng pangarap mo, gano'n, diba? Pero it's something na, yun nga, i-break mo na. So, dapat gawin natin. And if we didn't really make it, at least we set the goal na medyo meron tayo, may tinatry tayo everyday. May reason tayo na kung bakit tayo gumigising bumaba.
Josh, nagawa niyo na yun. Nakakatulong na kayo sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Nakita ko kung gano'n namin lumilipad dito pag may concert kayo. Tapos, di ba ilan yung nabibigyan niyo ng trabaho dahil isa na ako doon. dahil sa mga projects yun, dahil sa galing ninyo. So, ang ganda na yung dream nyo na nagsisimula kayo. Talagang ito na, nangyayari na. So, ang ganda na, andito na tayo sa Wakas at Simula. Okay, now let's go to our next question. You're collaborating with international artists like, alam na ba nila to? O first time ba nating formally sasabihin ito? Sa mga nanonood po online, okay? First na to, no? Baka, sa'yo mo pa sabi, para mas special. Ang worry naman kung ako yung una mag-on. You're collaborating with international artists like? And? Jolene Tai. Okay. So, how did these collaborations shape the album? Congratulations, by the way, international collabs. Let's go.
With this kind of collaboration po, syempre, unang-una, we're very happy and we're very blessed na yung ganun kalalaking international artist, yung talagang will to collaborate with SB19. Kasi, tulad na po nasabi nyo, nagsistart kami, ang taas na kagad ng pangarap namin, though target talaga namin, mga big artist na talaga. Pero ngayon na dumadating sila, syempre po, parang nasasabi namin, ito na pala talaga unti-unti naabot namin yung mga pangarap namin noon. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin kami naniniwala na naabot na namin siya. And with the album naman po, I think it's the perfect timing na somehow, ito yung nagsisemento na nung parang naabot na namin in our lifetime dito sa tinatahak namin as an artist talaga as SB19. Kasi yun naman talaga yung goal namin is to go global. And ano pa bang other way to parang malapat namin ang maayos yung pangalan ni SB19 and of course ng Pilipinas sa scene na to is to also collaborate with mga kilalang artists naman talaga. So, we're very happy and excited to share yung mga tracks na ginawa namin with them sa inyo kasi I think it's not only for us to show yung skills ng SB19 but of course, mapakita rin yung collaboration ng cultures together and mapakita yung kayang maitawid ng mga musika natin to other countries na talagang willing din to support our country. Yes.
Yes, and thank you for
Excited.
representing the Philippines so well. Yes, sabi mo nga excited, super,
Yes,
oo. Tsaka yung mga collaborate nyo, BE:FIRST is also a boy group,
Yes,
diba?
from Japan.
From Japan.
Yeah.
Tapos si Jolene Tsai, alam niyo ba, kasi yung research ko, syempre parang, Jolene Tsai. Siguro ako, meron siyang 40 million views na video sa YouTube, tapos 16 years ago. So parang dati pa siya Asian superstar.
Si Miss Jolene.
Si Miss Jolene.
Yeah.
Si Miss Jolene. Oo, as in. Grabe talaga. Sobrang superstar, Asian superstar, na based sa Taiwan. Sa Taipei. Sa Taipei. So, thank you very much for that answer. Now, let's open the floor to our dear friends from the media for the Q&A. I'm sure marami rin kayo mga tanong, di ba? Okay, so before we start the Q&A session, here's a reminder to all of our media colleagues who are in attendance for today's press con. No live updates po or snippet posting before 3:30 p.m. No geotagging of the venue. Full songs must never be shared. And tracklist posting begins only at 3:30 p.m.